Hello guys, Kushal this side. I'm the founder of Poko.video. Today I'll show you what is Poko and how it can help you scale up your video generation by 10x. So this is our website Poko.video. Simply land there. We build motion videos on your machine. Everything is local to your machine and nothing is uploaded to cloud. So simply download the application based on your OS. These are some of the examples which we have built. For example, this was our own ad. If you can see, it has some pretty good motion graphics. We have been improving it and it will be improving furthermore. We also support BYOK keys and every other feature as well, which I'll be showing you in this demo. So these were some of our examples. If you go down, you can simply point your source repo or PDF or PPT or even URL. AI builds a video for you. It takes around 10 to 12 minutes for each video generation. Many of you also wanted to ask uh, how much does it cost to build a video. On Claude Opus 4.8, it can take around $3 to $4 in general for one video, around 30 seconds to 1 minute. You also have various options of picking up models, and which I'll be showing you. Before jumping straight to the demo, these are some of our pricing plans. Uh, the starter plan costs $49 and it has $10 of AI credit included, which is a one-time usage credit. You have some limitations on number of projects, and we also give you a decent 50 minute per month of AI narration or AI TTS per month. We use Cartesia behind the scenes, and we'll be supporting more providers as well. Coming to the Pro plan, it costs around $149 with this usage and unlimited projects. It also allows BYOK, so you can simply plug in your own Anthropic or OpenAI keys for now. We also have plans to allow Grok, Gemini, Cerebras, and other keys as well in a few days. So this is the agency plan, which has some video creation prom guide as well, and of course some good uh, onboarding call with us as well as website showcase as well. So let's jump straight to the demo. I simply open Poco on my laptop and I can see this screen. So I'm already logged in, as you can see, but you can also log in and you will see the same screen. So this shows I'm on currently lifetime plan. I have this much credit and I can manage billing as well. I simply click here and I go to billing on this platform. Once you jump here, you also have an option of topping up credits. This is the actual AI credits part, and we don't charge any markup on top of it. So this is totally at the same rates which model provides, and you can simply top up any amount. I am currently on this plan. Uh, we have four options: repo to video, URL to video, PPT or PDF to video. This, for example, was built using just a bare PDF
NVIDIA
showing
fiscal year
nothing
20.
but
NVIDIA fiscal year 20.
basically annual report of Nvidia for 2026. We have other as well, like autosend.com. This was built entirely using the website. So if you can see, I just land on the studio. I simply gave it build energetic fast motion ad, build of 45 seconds. It was just doing stuff,
Email is
and
broken for the way you
at the
build
end, it
today.
just built this
Need
video.
autosend.
I click
Send
here.
transactional email through one clean, reliable API. Node, Python, Rust. Drop in and ship in minutes. Node, Python, Rust.
So yeah, these kind of videos are possible. You can change the voice as well. If you click here, you have various different voices. We are also giving an option for cloning your own voice, which will be live in the next few days. So you can also preview the voice before selecting it. Coming here, LLM by default is using Poco. We are just an AI gateway between OpenAI or Claude, and you can simply use it, and this will deduct credits from your own motion Poko Motion wallet. You can also use your own key. Simply paste your Anthropic or OpenAI key and simply select the model here. So we allow these models for now. By default, it's Claude Opus 4.8, and this costs around 3.5 to $4 in total. You also have other options, and Sonnet might cost you around 2.5 to $3 a video. We also have GPT options as well. So you can also modify the thinking state based on the model. Let's say I select Sonnet, so I can simply make thinking of this will also reduce some of the cost. But for best video generation, we recommend 4.8. Once this is done, now let's create a new repo to video. I select a repo from my folder. I click here, maybe I click this folder, I use this folder, and it will take around 10 seconds or so. to just set it up for one time and I'll be greeted with another screen. I can build product walkthrough videos or kinetic motion ads as well. Let's click here and this is the base screen. I can change voices, I can bring my own keys, this is my current credits, and these are some of the settings. We do not modify the source folder, so as you can see it's written already, source is read only. Our agent does not have any capabilities of modifying the source folder at all. So think it like a cursor or anti-gravity for video generation. I can just type build video. So the prompt can be as simple as that because we have handled the base prompt already. By default, it generates around 30 to 45 seconds of motion ad videos, or you can be more explicit and write your own prompt as well. So I click here. This will just work now. As we can see, it's working currently. I don't need to stop it. It's running on Cloud Opus 4.8. It loaded the skill. The skill is Poko Motion, which is our own skill, and it will now continue doing some stuff. So as you can see, it's reading, running, and so yeah, this will just continue. It might take 10 minutes or so, and once this done completely, it did find out that this project is an XJS product, so it will just try to get all the uh, files and it will just try to accumulate all the information before building a video. So for now I'm just stopping it and just go here as well. We can also select PPT to video or URL to video. Let's say I just select poco.video. The same thing happens. You click on create video, you will be greeted with that screen and simply write any prompt and it will just build the video for you. One thing to note, we also allow different languages, maybe German, Arabic, Spanish, Hindi, or even regional languages. So feel free to chat in any language with the AI, or even just ask it to produce the output in that language. You can also have edits as well. Let's say we build this for video SDK. If I want to change the background, I'll simply ask it. If you can see, I just asked it to change the background, and it did make the change. Previously, it was little different. So by default, we also generate narrations for you, and if you want, you can just make it off or tell the AI not to generate. It will just not generate it. I hope these were clear. Just to show you some more things, we have this documentation pages where you can simply follow all the required documentation what to do, and we also have a roadmap page. So this is our roadmap, and these are all the planned items which we are planning. So June will be a very good month, and you can expect a lot of features including support for strike, open router, etc., as well as BYOK for voice providers as well. Currently, we only support AI providers. We'll also be providing media uploads, voice cloning, background sounds, sound effects, launching our own forum for discussions, and YouTubers and screen recording edits as well. So, these are all the planned items for this whole month. So,